Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, we are going to be drawing
an owl.
Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, we're going to be drawing
A bat.
That's right, we're going to be drawing vampire bats. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be drawing an easy, cheesy vampire bat. Are you ready to draw this, Lucas?
I got my pencil all going already.
All right. First, you want to draw kind of a smaller...
I did it already.
You're way ahead of me. That's right. We're going to be drawing an oval. But you can draw a smaller oval right about here. So we want to have enough room on our paper to draw our bat with its wings out. Now, I'm going to stop right about here.
But you forgot to connect it together.
That's okay. And it's okay if you did connect it. Everybody is kind of different. So the reason I'm going to do this is so that I can draw his long ears. The long ears are going to be really big. Bats like to hear a lot.
Mine is super tall. Mine is super tall than yours.
All right.
Mine is super tall.
And then right here is where you would connect the two ears together.
It's almost like a bunny.
It is almost like a bunny.
It's a bunny right now.
It is a bunny right now. Let's put some big eyes on this bat.
Ooh, I think a super big
Because
eye.
he needs big eyes so that he can see in the dark.
Ooh,
And once you get the big eyes, you can put the pupils right in the
I did
middle.
the pupils already.
That's awesome. All right, now are you ready for the mouth?
Yeah.
The mouth is pretty easy. All you're going to do is you're going to start right from here.
Yeah, my pass.
And on the side, vampire bats have two long teeth.
Dude.
Doot. Just like that.
Mine have a lot of teeth.
And in the middle, you can put some little teeth.
Mine's going to be all big teeth. I did a super big teeth.
Are you ready to put the wings on?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the wings, what you're going to do is you're going to start right about here, and you're going to bring kind of a slope line like that all the way down here. Okay. And then on this side, you do the same thing. Come all the way over to this side. Okay. All right. Now what you're going to do is it's kind of almost like making a wave, but you're going to come whoop, whoop, go all the way and connect it back to its head. And on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Are you ready to put some feet? The feet are pretty easy. You just draw a straight line coming down like this. And a U. Upside down U. And you can bring this little toe out here, just like that.
Thanks for watching the come and visit my Halloween party. Alright!
Bye-bye! Adios!